Hi, I wanted to do a quick demonstration with this new format that we have for showcasing development areas in West Vancouver. It's from iPlanet360, and I found there were some missing links with some of the ways homes were being shown, where it was just the home and people not quite understanding what's going on in the areas for West Vancouver, as a lot of the areas are being redeveloped, as you can see. We're working on this house, 1421 Chartwell, doing the interior design, and as soon as it's finished, it will be listed for sale. Next door, there's a new build, and it's for sale for 14 million, or it may have been adjusted in price with the market right now, but when we did it, it was 14 million. And as you can see, this other new house next to it is listed for 8 million. The house across the street sold for 13.2, and many of the areas are being redeveloped and rebuilt, with some of the existing homes causing confusion because they may be listed for 3 million, 5 million, and then all of a sudden you get this big leap up into 8 million, 14 million plus. So with this, you can actually maneuver around. You can see there's another house being built there. If you actually hit on 1421, it will take you to Bata Construction or Bata Developments, and it will show you the house that's under construction currently right now. Bata Developments is also doing this house at Chartwell, and they did the house that sold for 13.2 across the street. So for clients who are looking online, it's a little bit confusing when you have these drastic price jumps and they don't quite know why. But a lot of the homes that haven't been torn down yet and rebuilt would be of a lot lesser price. If you look at this 3D rendering button, this shows the house before it was torn down and constructed, under construction, and then the propose of what it will look like when it's complete. This lot here is 12 million. It's a double lot, and the home that's being built on it will be quite large. And I'm assuming, because I'm not quite sure what the construction is, that it could be anywhere from 15 to 20 million plus by the time it's finished. So as you can see, this whole area in a few years will be all within 8 to potentially $20 million. So for investors, being able to see this while they're looking at individual houses for sale to see what would be the best return on investment for them, gives them a great idea online of what the area looks like. You can hit on Grouse Mountain and see pictures. So you can maneuver around, look out at the view. If you hit some of the buttons, it'll pop up either pictures or it'll show websites depending on what we've put in there. But it gives a great idea of what the view is. And this is actually up over the house, so this view is real. If you hit this 360 button, I wanted to know what's going on down at the waterfront. Well, now we jump down to the waterfront and we can see all around what's going on in the area. And again, if you want to know what's going on over here, that's Lighthouse Park. Just shows some pictures just to give a good overview of what's going on. This shows my building. If you click to view video, it just shows a video panning across the waterfront so that you can see again what's going on. This is a restaurant, the Beach House. Click on it, takes you to the website. So for someone new to the area, this gives a great idea of what's going on in the area, what it looks like, what developments. This is a development, the Bellevue by Cressy. Goes right to their website. You can see what's available for sale there. And again, that 360 takes you back up to Chartwell Drive. So this gives a great overview of West Vancouver, the development that's happening. If you want to see the floor plans for this house, we've incorporated some floor plans so that you can go in. We could add elevations, more 3D models, whatever you want. And there's also a site plan. These buttons down here, they can be either on or off. And if you hit the share button, you can share this on Facebook, Twitter, Google, LinkedIn, etc. And you can turn that off as well, so to clean up. Over here, we've got Google Maps, and we've got where we can change the language. We've got this one in Mandarin, so that you can add any language, but once you hit that, it will actually translate the site over to the language of choice. And for this case, we've got it in Mandarin. So I hope that gives you a quick overview of some of the ways we're marketing our projects right now.